Hi, my name is Alexei. I'm from MAIMAN Electronics. Today I want to tell you about our main products. It's OEM Laser Diode Driver and Benchtop Laser Power Supply. Now I'm starting the presentation. Firstly, I want to tell you a few words about our company. Our field of activity, development and production laser electronics. We have a different customer from various industry. It's big international corporation like Google, IMAX, Airbus. Also, we're working with a university and research center like Stanford, MIT, Hilais, and NASA. And we are working with the laser and laser system manufacturers like the Optica, 15, Lumenis, and Lumitron. We produce just a small components for the big systems. So we have a customer from various industry, which produce material processing equipment, welding, cutting, marking, and soldering machine, medical equipment, measuring equipment, spectrometer, laser rangefinders, and leaders, and of course, a lot of our products going for research and prototyping. Here is our main product series. It's ultra compact, high power OEM laser diode driver. Also, we produce laser diode controller with tech and mount. We produce benchtop laboratory laser power supply. Firstly, I want to tell you a little bit more about our high power OEM laser diode driver. We have different models with different characteristics. We produce up to 600 watt in quarter brick size 6 by 3 centimeters. We produce up to 1 kilowatt in half brick 6 by 6 centimeters, and we produce up to 2.5 kilowatt in full brick. Here is our main features. The most interesting is high power density, high efficiency up to 98 and 7%. We have anti-thermistor input. So if you set temperature window and the temperature achieve the limit, the driver is shut down. We have multi-type protection features, and we have different type of control, analog control and digital interfaces. It's easy to control our drivers. You can use analog control signal 5 volts, or you can use wide range of digital interfaces, RS-232, RS-485, UART, USB, and I2C. Also, we provide free software, LabVIEW drivers, and communication protocol in the bundle. We make a special design for our drivers. All control components is on the board. We have 8 16 layers PCB. All power component is under the board. We fill from the thermal compound and put on the aluminum base plate. And we provide 4 mounting holes to install our driver in your system. It's very simple and easy to integrate our driver in your system. You can use water cooling or air cooling plate. We have fantastic efficiency, as I said previously. It's up to 98 and 7%. Of course, when you make something so compact and high power, the heat is most big and critical problem. We make a thermal modeling before we develop the driver, and we make a thermogram when the development is ended. We have a soft start on our driver, so your laser diode always safety during the operation. The rise time is 16 microseconds without any overshooting. The ripple is not more than 10 milliamps. We have multi-type protection feature over current protection with adjustable current limit, thermal warning and shutdown, and crowbar secret protection. Your laser diode is always safety. Usually our drivers is used with different laser diodes, but the most popular is BWT, IPG Photonics, and N-Light. Here is another our product series, laser diode controller with tech and mount. We have laser diode current up to 3 amps in this model series. High stability, output current noise not more than 15 microamps. We have high power tech controller, 4 amps and 4 voltage, and temperature stabilization is 0.01 degrees. Here's the features of our series. The most interesting is integrated PID controller and mount for laser diode heat removal. Here is different models that we provide for different diodes in this series. We have special design for 14-pin and 10-pin butterfly. Also, we provide universal solution without any mount, so you can use any diode with this solution. And we have modification for type 1 and type 2 pinout. It's easy to start our controller. You need just install laser diode, remove driver short jumper before turning on, connect 5-volt input power supply, connect UART USB adapter, and run our own free software. Usually our drivers is used with the laser diode from 26 Laser Enterprise, FreeSP Technology, and Lumentum. Here is last our series what I want to tell you. It's laboratory benchtop laser power supply. We make it based on our OEM drivers. Here's the features. The most interesting it's option to save 9 per setting, integrated PID controller. You can control it remote with USB. We have locally control with touchscreen or buttons, and we have modification that include all-in-one current sensors, temperature control, mount and with azimuth socket for butterfly laser diode, which compatible with type 1 and type 2, 14 or 10-pin butterfly laser diode. Here's different screen of our benchtop solution. Here's the main screen. You can control it locally with touchscreen or button. You can see control it locally with a touchscreen on the left side of the screen and control locally with a button on the right side of the screen. Here is ability to set limits option. You can set limit of laser diode current. You can set the limit of attack. You can change the brightness of a screen and make enable touchscreen. We have option to save 9 per setting. It's very useful when you make research or tests. We provide free software for our OEM drivers and benchtop solution. You can easily download it from the website. Thank you for your attention. Here's my contact information. I will be glad to answer any question you have.